Welcome back to the channel guys, hope you are all doing great. In today's video I'll show you how to remove a team space in Notion using your iPhone, Android or any device that you have. So let's get right into it. Make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it. First you need to open your Notion app. As you can see I've already downloaded it and you can simply open it. Now tap the Workspace switcher that is on the top left side, then select the workspace where the team space exists. As you can see here, you can start a group as well. Now after you have clicked it, you can tap on the three dots and select settings and members. If this doesn't comes up in here, you can simply swipe it and go in the back page and tap on the three dots here and simply tap on members or even on the settings app. Now you will see a list of all the available team spaces after you are done here. As you can see here, you can see all the team spaces. Tap on the specific team space you want to remove. If you are an admin, you will see options to delete or archive it. I'll simply tap on it, and if you are not an admin, you can tap and leave team space to stop seeing it. You can't delete a team space unless you are an admin. If the delete option isn't there, you probably don't have the permission to do or delete the workspace, and that's how you can remove or leave a team space in Notion using iOS. Super easy once you know where to tap. If this video helped you out, like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials. If you have got any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next one, and thanks for watching.